Hello, today we're going to talk about do-it-yourself backpacking meals. Now, we showed in a video previously how I had made a mixture with ramen noodles and a few simple freeze-dried ingredients to make a backpack, to make meals. So what we decided to do is we bought a vacuum sealer and some bags. Packet, the sucks the oxygen absorbers is what most people call them. And thought, let's see if we can seal them up and make our own backpacking meals, eat out of the bag meals with Mylar bags. And as you can see, this is the result. And we put the what's on it, the date. This is the beef ramen, and everything's mixed in here. All you have to do is add 2 cups of water, boiling water, and put it in there, seal the bag, let it sit for 20 minutes, and you're good to go. It's excellent stuff. But anyway, we're going to show some footage of preparation and various other things and how we did it. And hopefully this information will be useful to you. Thank you. Ramen noodles, which is probably your best long-term noodle storage. Freeze-dried mixed vegetables flakes, which you can buy in bulk rather inexpensively. Tomato powder with chicken bouillon, which comes in huge big containers. You can buy this in any grocery store. A little pack of freeze-dried beef that Trailtopia sells. Enough to make 2 meals with, at least. Some salt and pepper from a local chicken restaurant.
In the previous video on repacking a mountain house, I mentioned that you're not going to really save much money doing that. Now this do-it-yourself meal will save you some money, and I'll put up a chart showing you the breakdown of the cost for it. Hold the lid down. Let's start. And here's a couple more ideas for things to make meals out of. Here we mixed up our own granola and powdered milk and oatmeal. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.